To learn the Python basics, comments. What is a comment? A comment is a line of text that is ignored by the Python interpreter. Comments allow you to leave notes for yourself or others inside a program. How do you include a comment in your code? Comments begin with a hash mark. Here, in this example, if you look at the line greet the user beginning with a hashtag, let's try this in a Python shell. The line greet the user is beginning with a hash mark. In this case, it is ignored by the Python interpreter. Assign the string raw to a variable username and then print this variable using the format f in double quotes welcome back. In curly braces, put the username variable. So then print the statement that will print the welcome back raw. When should you include comments? Comments are useful when writing complex code that you might need to return to. They can remind you of the reason behind the logic. Clear, concise comments are a sign of a professional programmer. When considering different ways to solve a specific problem, including a comment that explains the approach you choose to take.